Welcome to DevForge, your gateway to mastering the art of coding. Today we are going to learn about some of Python widgets. Let's import the tkinter library and create a window as usual. Let's create a button named button1 using tkinter. Set the button title to "Click Me." Then add the button to the window we created. Let's see how it's shown in the window. It's a little bit old looking, right? It's a little bit old looking, right? To create modern looking widgets we can use TTK from tkinter library. Let's create another button named button2 using TTK. Add button2 to the window and run the program again. It's more modern looking, right? Let's see how to add a label and a text field to a Python window next. This is how you create a label using TTK. Let's add a text field as well. This is how a label shown in a Python window. Let's see the entry too. This is how the text field shown in the Python window. We can type in it. That's all for today. Stay with us for more tutorials like this. Please like and subscribe if you learned something today.